M1 Finance is an American financial service company founded in 2015. They are located in Chicago, Illinois, United States. They have over 8 billion in client assets as well as over 1 million users. It is a robo-advisor slash DIY investment platform with brokerage accounts, high yield savings accounts, and lines of credit. You also have a credit card offering with their spend feature. We scroll down, we can see some of our protections included with this financial institution. You can also see that you can borrow on margin against your portfolio. And they do have a credit card that is very rewarding, to say the least. Again, this is trusted by over 1 million people, and here are some reviews. Build and manage your wealth your way. Let's go ahead and click on the high yield savings offering. So as it stands now, there will be further availability soon. Right now they have it on hold as they are making some changes to the M1 Plus platform. You can earn 5% APY on your savings. When you compare that to some of the big banks, it is definitely a better option. Again, I think anybody should be using a high yield savings account, especially for an emergency fund. We go to our Invest tab. You can see some of the brokerage options they have: individual, joint, custodial, as well as retirement accounts, traditional, Roth, and SEP IRAs. And there are some other accounts, including a crypto account or a trust account. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, our Invest tab. Basically, this is a very long-term strategy type platform. It is not a trade in and out with ease type of platform. This is a platform you can utilize for a set it and forget it. As they mention here, put it on cruise control. With M1 Plus, you get 2 windows to trade during each trading day. Yes, no impulse buys. This is for the long-term mindset investor. Let's go ahead and click on our spend account. So this is their owner's reward credit card. It is a Visa card. And I will say, as a user of this card, the actual appearance of the card is a nice heavy metal. See, it is a no annual fee card. It also has contactless options. You can manage it and freeze it on your M1 Plus app. And you get some additional perks. Click right here, you can see the brands that offer you extra cash back on top of the 1.5% back that you receive on every purchase. Here are some of the 10% back offerings: Netflix, AMC, Dropbox, to name a few. We scroll down here to the 5% cashback option. We have some additional retailers as well as FedEx, Marshalls, Nike, Starbucks, TJ Maxx, and Wayfair. We head down to our 2.5% cashback option. We can see we have Apple, American Airlines, Best Buy, AT&T. We also have JetBlue, Southwest, and United. Then again, as I mentioned, you have a 1.5% cash back on everything else. Let's go ahead and scroll up to our borrow option. We do have a margin and a personal loan. Borrow in seconds, pay back as you please. I've yet to use this feature with M1 Plus. But as you can see, comparing to if you needed to grab some of your liquidity out of your brokerage account, it can be done. Looks like you can borrow up to 50% of your portfolio's value. I do know there are some changes coming to M1 Plus in May of 2024. So it looks like if you have less than $10,000 invested inside of your M1 portfolio, you're going to have a $3 a month charge. But if you have more than that, I believe the M1 Plus offers are free. But again, there's future information coming out in May of 2024. And here's some of the terms and conditions. Let me know in the comments below if you use M1 or if you use another brokerage.